Well, hi, good morning. Welcome to the Old Geezer's Diary on Thursday, the 5th. Unbelievable, isn't it? June. It doesn't feel like 10 minutes ago that it was kind of March and April. But now we're in June and flaming June. Well, it's been cloudy and rainy this morning. It's forecast to remain a bit cloudy and possibly a bit rainy until the middle of next week, which is actually, I guess the countryside could do with it, our gardens could do with it, but I really don't want to do with it standing here because it's a bit nippy. But there you go. I'm Chris, and welcome to Felixstowe this morning. I thought we'd have a little bit about 11 o'clock because I had to do an errand, so I thought I'd come down to the seaside as well. And we'll just have a little stroll along the beach in a minute. Probably be a bit noisy because it's a bit windy, but there you go. We'll see how that goes. As I say, we're supposed to have a bit more dismal weather over the next week or so, but then it's supposed to be getting better and sunnier again, so we'll see more people about on the seafront. If you're not a local, bear in mind that parking charges on Felixstowe's seafront car parks have gone up from £1.50 for 2 hours to £4 for 2 hours. That's only on the seafront car parks, so you can actually park in the town centre for £2, which is a much better deal. Walk 10 minutes through the town, get an ice cream or something, and save yourself some dosh. Okay, I'm going to have a little stroll now, and I'll be back with you sooner or later.